Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products for your needs. Today, we are going to talk about the best jewelry making kit for women, the PAXCOO Jewelry Making Supplies Kit. If you've ever wanted to create your own jewelry or need to repair some pieces, this kit has everything you need to get started. This PAXCOO kit is perfect for both beginners and seasoned jewelry makers. It comes with a wide range of tools and supplies that make crafting jewelry or repairing old pieces a breeze. Inside the kit, you'll find 3 essential pliers: a round nose plier, chain nose plier, and wire cutting plier. Each of these tools is designed with comfort in mind, featuring non-slip handles and double leaf springs for smooth, safe use. But that's not all. You also get 2 rolls of copper wire in both silver and gold, which are ideal for beading projects. Along with these wires, there's a clear beading cord, several beading needles, and even a pair of thread scissors to help you trim your materials with precision. Whether you're creating delicate necklaces or repairing a bracelet, the included tape measure ensures every piece is just the right size. The kit also includes over 845 jewelry findings in 12 different styles, including jump rings, lobster clasps, eye pins, crimp beads, earring hooks, and more. These findings are essential for connecting various jewelry pieces together and ensuring your designs are secure and durable. There's even a rubber earring back to make sure your earrings stay put. For those intricate tasks, the PAXCOO kit also includes tools like a jump ring opener and tweezers, which make handling small components easier and more precise. Plus, the caliper and awl help with measurement and making small adjustments to your designs. One of the best features of this kit is the storage. It comes with a zip pouch to keep everything organized and ready to go. No more searching through a messy drawer for the right tool. Everything has its place, making it easy to get to work whenever inspiration strikes. Whether you're making jewelry as a hobby, repairing a favorite piece, or starting a DIY project, the PAXCOO Jewelry Making Supplies Kit has you covered. It's a complete set for anyone looking to explore the art of jewelry making. And with its thoughtful packaging and high-quality materials, it's an excellent choice for any woman looking to add a personal touch to her jewelry collection. Thanks for watching this review. Be sure to like and subscribe for more product critiques. We'll see you in the next video.